In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can clear junk and delete cache files in Windows 11 or Windows 10. Before we do dive into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, ask them down below and we can help you out further. But over time, temp files and cache data stack up and can slow your PC down pretty tremendously. So here's how you can safely remove them. Begin by clicking this little search bar down in the very bottom. And what you're going to want to do is just type in run and open up the run system right here, which is going to look something like this. In the box, what you're going to want to go ahead and type is temp, and it's going to open up a page that looks something like this. All you got to do is just go ahead and hit Control and then A to select everything, and then go ahead and hold Shift and Delete to permanently delete all of these options right here. Skip any files that Windows won't let you delete just because those are currently in use, but just do this, boom, yes, and skip whatever ones it won't let you delete, and you'll be good to go. From here, go ahead and close this folder, and what you're going to want to do now is actually delete that temp folder by opening up run again by typing in run, opening up the run system, and this time go ahead and type %temp% and hit enter, and it's going to take you to another page that looks like this. Once again, go ahead and just select everything with Control A and then hit Shift and Delete to delete everything. There's going to be a lot in here, so this might take a minute to go ahead and delete. But once again, if there is any files, go ahead and just skip them, just because that means they are currently in use. From here, go ahead and once again, open up run again. And this time, go ahead and type in prefetch just like so and hit enter. If you do get a permissions page, go ahead and just hit continue. Once again, select all and then go ahead and delete those. And then guess what? We're going to open up run one more time. And this time, all you need to go ahead and type in is clean mgr and hit enter. It's going to take you to a page that looks like this. Choose that main drive on here. And after doing so, go ahead and just hit OK. And it's going to delete any temporary files on there, and that is it. Your cache is now going to be cleared and your PC is going to run so much faster. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.